Thank you very much for the opportunity. Speaking about ETIP SNET, so we are a platform that works to develop the smart networks that will support the energy transition.
Energy is evolving. The energy world is evolving, and the needs for the energy and various vectors are evolving. And in order to evolve along with the energy sector, you need to have stakeholders, communities.
The European Commission created the ETIP SNET platform focusing on research and innovation activities and bringing together members from the energy sector and experts, providing inputs and knowledge in this field.
We work together, a lot of stakeholders, TSOs, DSOs, universities, academia, research institutions, vendor sites, and all the situations at European level. And our main aim is to support the European Commission with the energy transition, making sure that the grids are ready for the future.
And that's what we're doing at ETIP SNET, starting from the high level, gathering many stakeholders, and then dealing with the very difficult tasks and working on short, medium, and long-term goals through various mechanisms. The vision, the roadmap, the plans, the papers that we put together are some of these mechanisms that actually hopefully realize this future.
I would like to strongly encourage every energy industry participant to join our platform. This way you will have an opportunity to shape up European energy landscape, especially at times like these where we need accelerated digital transformation in order to ensure security of supply, but at the same time integrate some groundbreaking technologies such as AI.
The energy transition is a must, and electrification of our economy is the way. This technological platform is a perfect tool to enable that. Any stakeholder that wants to participate in the energy transition should be part of this platform.
ETIP SNET is where you can meet people, various experts from different companies and institutes, with manufacturer companies, R&D institute, grid operators, and so on. Where you can learn and share your ideas with them.
So it's a unique opportunity to discuss with high-level experts from the other countries in Europe and to contribute to the future agenda, and so to have an impact on future research and innovation roadmaps.
The main aim of ETIP SNET is to make sure that we develop the necessary tools in terms of research and development, and also in the end of the process, the solutions and technologies that we may use in our networks to make sure the energy transition happens. And that is why we think it's very important that we count on all stakeholders, because it's a way also to influence in a positive stance what we can do in order to make them fit for the future.
Your involvement will not only foster collaboration between different regions and different sectors, but it will ensure that every voice is heard and that diverse perspectives are considered when European energy policy is being drafted. This will ultimately result in true impactful strategies and initiatives that further advancement of clean energy technologies, and they will also enhance resilience and sustainability of our power systems.
In my case, I represent a DSO, IDE, which is part of the federal group, which is very committed to the energy transition and also to a big experience in smart grids. For the reason, I think we can provide good expertise and knowledge to the topic of ETIP SNET, that is reliable, economic and efficient systems of energy.
I am representing Capenergies cluster, which is a French competitiveness cluster involved in the energy transitions. We gather 530 members, among which institutions, but also large groups, academic players, and a lot of small and medium enterprises. So SMEs can have a voice, and we act as a gateway to give them the opportunity to contribute to EU roadmaps. So this is the real added value, because they cannot individually participate.
So at ETIP SNET, we have various mechanisms as to how we can address challenges and the current gaps, both on technology level and as well as on the policy level.
Within the different working groups, we organize discussions, so technical discussions, so we can share ideas and then work together on different topics, such as renewable energy integration in a urban system, or hydrogen development, and so on.
My task is also coordinating the activity of the experts of the Working Group 1 and provide the needed input for this field of expertise.
One of the practical mechanisms that we have at the ETIP SNET is so-called bottom-up approach on the white papers. And within the past 5 years, there were a number of those that the stakeholder communities put together. And I think it's great to see that the messages propagate and being disseminated and used for the innovation project and as well as for the policy impact.